Hi guys, Michelle here. So, 2 weeks ago my computer started to get really hot on the left hand side, my MacBook Pro, and now it's making a wood crunching noise. As you can hear, the intensity changes. Sometimes it's completely silent. It stops if I tilt it almost perpendicular to the ceiling, and I'm not really sure what it is, so if any of you know if it's my hard drive or my fan or what, it doesn't sound like any of the other crunching noises on YouTube, so if you could let me know, I'd love you forever. Thanks.